And in the studio with me, I have none other than the top call himself, PC Brooms. Also with us, we have none other than Her Majesty, Her Royal Highness, the Queen.
Baila.
You can't drive me.
When they dance on people in the hearing program, when they dance on talking, when they ready the microphones on. Tell everyone they're talking, spraying microphones and body mother and all kind of thing. I don't think that's so.
Well, once we said nothing, every day is alright.
Nah, you got that them and spray it on your head. I'm not gonna ask on the radio saying.
Actually, it's good that went through. So
right,
people would know we're doing the right thing.
Yeah, I used to do the right thing.
All the time I go, I get that check. They turn on. I get that check. Anyway, we good. Yeah, Queen, you good?
I said, darling, you all doing Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, blah, 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 whatever.
How the Christmas food shaping up, man? You getting ham, cake, what happened?
I ain't getting nothing. I ain't do nothing.
Nothing?
I ain't buying no ham, nothing so yet. I eat ham all through the year. And then I line up in the long lines. The cow won't go over the ham, not me. I bet yeah, little ham between now and then is neither here nor there with me. I go past all that ham and curtains and all them kind of things. The only you get, you realize that that's all a bunch of nonsense. I get myself over that and so. Once I got said, my friends, I can eat every day. I get to go. I'm on with all that turkey. I got some turkey wings inside there. I got some chicken. I got fish. I got everything. I don't got to kill myself over nothing. I ain't about that and so. I got to go.
So what about you, PC Brooms?
I eating everything. My ham coming out of the bake ham there last weekend. It's soon done though. But Christmas coming up is Friday, right? Or Saturday?
Christmas is Saturday.
Saturday, right?
Yeah.
Good. So another one can be canceled.
So look at that sore sport, boy.
You from St. Philip, is a ham or a hen?
A ham.
A hen.
A ham.
St. Philip people call it a hen.
A ham, okay. But
So you go a hen.
as an import to St. Philip.
Right, so you from Christchurch.
Right.
But St. Philip is a hen.
A hem. Okay.
A hen. You
Gotcha.
get a hen.
What's St. Lucia say? Where's St. Lucia people say?
A hen.
A hem too?
Yeah. Some of them. Yeah,
A
sure.
hen.
Woo! Word up, man.
That old Barbara and all in the start. A hen.
Yeah.
I got in town about a
A
hen.
hem.
A hen.
I
Right,
feel like-
so you get a hen. Before going any further into today's program, though, I want to send condolences to the family, friends, and the whole Commonwealth fraternity over the passing of Mr. Everton Briggs. He was a principal at one primary school. I can't remember which one he was, but he was a long-standing member of the Commonwealth Scholars Association and well-loved and everything. So I know the fans, family, and everybody can miss him. The Carmel Limers is going to miss him. They had a little session for him over at Moore's yesterday. Part 2 had some free drinks, which I participated of. But in life, once there's life, there's death. So you got to just thank Jehovah, or hope you want to thank for letting for him letting us, his person suspension time we down here on earth, and afterwards he's called back for them. That's how life is going. That's how it's going, right? It's a sad time to his family and everything. I know this Christmas thing, and you will always remember these kind of days now, whenever they come around, when it's close to, a seasonal activity, Christmas, Easter, crop over, birthday, or whatever. Anyhow, that's how life goes.
True.
Right, so I ain't telling myself over nothing. I got some curtains in my house. The ones at the back is scattered forward, at the front, and the ones at the front is scattered back. So nobody don't know what's going on in that, man. Because this is COVID too, so nobody come in the house to see what curtains you got by the way. People just passing and walk up and down, up and down, up and down. I ain't telling myself over nothing like that there, so that whole life going on.
I know figure out something. I mean, you was hearing me through the phone, man. Not through the mic, through the phone.
Yeah.
So you just exposed PC Brooms' business book, shall mother.
But that's true, I don't know. Whatever it was, I heard it.
Okay.
Whatever it was, I heard it. So all this Christmas cleaning and PC Brooms, as I was saying, right now in Barbados, so they're very self. Somebody in the house kicked down a bucket of hard paint split.
Yep.
Somebody who was paying and make a mistake. And kicked down a bucket of paint. There's no house in Barbados that this week that a bucket of paint fall down. Some lawless body that was running let it down.
Well, no, I had a painting. This weekend, I think weekend before. First, you could probably still see the paint pump. Wait for yeah.
Yeah.
You were right. But I ain't training now, though. But I get through. I guess.
So you want to use the tenants on to clean off yourself?
Tenerife, no, I went to the beach. I went to Miami, but all they come off in water. I guess they got stopping long. I guess they got stopping the water longer.
So if you don't believe you kind of paint using emulsion paint, gloss paint?
Emulsion, draw plastic, best paint.
Draw plastic. Oh, you just water, just rub off, that will come off.
But it come off. This is a good strong one here, the Mac for me, man. Good
just
strong
rub it.
rubbing solution. I thought it would come off easy too, but it don't come off so easy.
Just rub it and it will come off.
All right, I'm gonna do that here.
God save good evening to all of the persons over at Morris Bar in Buckingham Road, Lyman. It just passed through there, so I had a little beverage to my good friend Ian Allen. We had a little beverage, so God shout out to Mr. Moore, Officer Springer. You wouldn't know him because you don't go work, so you wouldn't know these kind of people. Baker, Mars up inside there, Clarky. You all little crowd there, so I said, not having a little beverage. You wouldn't know these people because you don't go work. If you used to go work, you would be familiar with the police names and things, right? But you wouldn't know these people.
I know them.
Right, so I got to say good evening to everybody out there. So I hanging in, having a little drink. I think also to my brother Jesse. Got a little small birthday line. Small, very small.
It's true, yeah.
Last week Saturday, you think you have about 7 or 8 people. I tell you, I say, listen, Jesse, if you bring Big Road in at you, you know what I mean? This COVID thing don't work out. If you can let me know the numbers so that when they get there and they see the numbers start to escalate, I will know to pull out. So he tell me, man, the screen is only about 10 of you. I say, you saying 10, but I know a man is telling friend, man. My man got something that let me pass there and get a little drink. And he friend is telling friend, man, we going by Chelsea, and then it's turning a big thing.
Yeah.
So I tell Chelsea, let me tell you something. Every day, and they see the numbers start to expand, it's clocking out. I punch the clock and going home. So I was there. I see Percy come through, because Percy, he was playing at Sunny Red, and he had to come through, bring a little beverage, and then he rolled out. So the numbers were small. You know, at any one given time, only have about 6 people there, which you can work with in a yard.
It's true, yeah.
In a yard, it's spread out. You know, you have your little beverage. You can social distance, put back at your mask and think, I tell you, Tappy, if I hear and I see that crowd start growing, it's clocking out and going where I live. I don't feel that kind of year. So everything was good. So once again, Jesse, thanks for inviting everything over and over and over again.
Thanks, Jesse. Big up yourself, man.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So did y'all take advantage of VAT-free shopping there Monday just gone? Or you didn't get the answer?
I can't handle that big crowd, that big rush. I can't handle that, boy.
No, boy.
You can't handle the traffic. The traffic alone made me turned back.
Yeah, how long traffic on the road for you, though?
But listen, from 5:30, I see people posting on Facebook and Instagram pictures of people outside Popular. It was dark.
Yeah.
Outside the dark, you're going to just see the sun starting to peep through a little bit. That little orange color. You know the way it's fading. That color is me up in the morning. But it just lighting it up.
Yeah.
I see people lining up. There was all around Rubis gas station there in Kendall Hill. Going back up to Graham Hall, 5:30 in the morning with the Populars. Hold me. Why want food so bad? And the thing is that a lot of people didn't realize, and what the government tell people, I don't know if it was deliberate or not. I can't say so. And that a lot of the food items are VAT-free. Rice, potatoes, flour, cooking, all them things. You don't pay a VAT for them things. So a lot of people went lining up, looking for big bargains in the supermarket, not realizing that when they come out, they want to say about $3.13 or whatever for the other items. But the other things, potato, macaroni, corn, them things is VAT-free.
In other words, they're VAT-free already. Those things are VAT-free already.
They're VAT-free already. So you want to say every night and you go on and line up outside Populars, but the school is telling you all because someone went in bed or wash with a face and hand before with the vet by Populars, not that. So you know how these things work out. With a snatcher, with a shovel, with a bait, and bong on the road and line up. I'm going up there to save nothing. When I save nothing,
say about $3.
A washing machine, a fridge, a stove, a radiogram, anything, so you would just get back a little pepper. And I'm going to tell you, some of these business places, they're so wicked, evil. That from the time they hear that Monday was a VAT-free day, then push up the price for their items.
Yeah, I predict that would have happened.
Then push up the price. So if them was selling before the VAT-free day, if them was selling something for $1,000, When they hear VAT free, they come and they moving from $1,000 to $1,200. So that by the time they take off the VAT, it went back to $1,000. The wicked. I tell you, people got documented evidence, pictures of all kinds of things. They know a lady who went to buy a phone for her. And she was browsing, as we were saying, you know. She just going around and checking the prices and saying who got what, wherever. And then when she get a little corn, she would go back. And lucky for her, she went this Saturday morning and she went in the store browsing and she said, oh, okay, well, I can walk around some more. I like this one for he back and see who got it a little cheaper or wherever. And she walked around, she went home, and in the evening time she heard that I got VAT free Monday. The phone she got, the phone she had planned to buy for $700 for the place. She said when she going to yeah, that no, she offer it will bring she back a little $6. You know what she yeah, that $100 bill offer. That same phone that she thought was $700, when she went back for it Monday, they had it at $900. Same very phone.
Well.
I see somebody put a picture of a certain store that had certain things at a certain price on the Saturday, and then by Monday the price is back up in the air. Because they tell themselves, oh, okay, that means let me pay the VAT though, because VAT is a government tax. VAT is what it got, where the stores just collect the VAT and give it to the government, that ain't one. That is not their money. So some people, so I get the impression that some of these people are paying the government VAT. Then keep it, because if you can cap your price for the Saturday evening when the Minister of Finance, or who it was, say, I give me all a VAT free day to do what you have to do. And you can jack up your price of a phone from $700 to $900. Jack up the price of a store from $900 to $1,200, all kind of things what they're doing. It means that you're a stealers. So a lot of people went out there so looking to get a bargain and then get a bargain. The stores is who make the money. Tricksters, that's what the people can get them a heads up from early. That's what the man come and jack in Saturday evening to Monday. Because if it is for next week, that will jack up everything up here and do a killing. But I don't feel that one day is good enough for you. I feel that yeah, at least 2 or 3 days. Because some of the old people didn't get the pension in town. You know, the checks or whatever it is, they get stick up in the mailbox or whatever. So some of the old people didn't get a little corn accordingly. So the VAT free day went on left them. That's what happened. Speaking of old people, I see that Bart move them digits now. If you're 40 years old, you could be a member of Bart.
Right, yeah, I hear that here too.
Well, no, that's all I want to know, you know.
Well, I got to bring in a younger, because I think I got a life insurance. What is it called, a pension plan or something out there?
Listen, I did it Bart, but they drop out.
All right, the hell, right? The costs out there, they're fairly expensive.
I was in Bart, and they said, this here, Queen, pick up your tacklings, pack your suitcase, and we'll come out. You know why left? I can tell why left Bart. I was paying like a Bart.
A week? Oh, it was a month?
A year.
A year. Okay.
And you will get your Bart card and you will get your discounts depending on if you're shopping. So you got Louis XII plastic, you got Standard, you got this body, you got that body, and at the end of the year, you can make back your savings. You know, so if you get $55 and we see you got some really 12 plastic, harsh paints, burger paints, or whatever, and you was remodeling your home, and you buy paints and everything, you can get back at $80, $90 in savings. So you in one crash bank wallet, you get back all your money that you invest in Bar.
Right.
Which is no problem. So I went in Bar. I'm going to get $1.50 off a snack box or anything. So I look a little saving. I go on my Bar, no say, Queen. This year.
You cut no there, though, Queen. You cut no real bad, man. You cut no real bad there, boy.
I cut no, what I cut no. You can't stop talking.
Man, you got no there. Hold on, we can get you back out there. We can go fix that thing there first, see, man. And Lordy, have volume on that AC there for me too. And you feel the candle.
All right. We can sort out that issue, man. try again and see if we got a better
Oh
connection.
yeah, you can hear me. You can hear me there, Queen. You can
Yeah, I
hear me.
can hear you.
Oh, okay.
Try again, see if we connection.
You lower the volume on the AC me though, Versi.
Yeah, it's still cold.
My yeah, that thing real cool too. Yeah.
All right, then. They got water shot across the boat.
Somebody message you.
Yeah, they got a message telling me cut out. Bitches, wait, I just ready to understand. I think I talk and when they can cut me off again. Because everybody's talking about Gloria Break, something like Ron, but they didn't cut me off, none of that sort. Saying that is why there's a lot of people left that organization.
Are they?
The reason I didn't talk, when they can cut me off again, they're going to cut me off and gone. The reason why I left, when they can cut me off, when they cut me off and gone, you know. I just tell you the truth, if they cut me off, I gone. The reason why I left, and I want right, a lot of people left, I want to know that hear the truth, is because
Yeah, PC Brooms, boy.
Woo!
Baila! Yeah, boy.
Yeah, well, Mark's Auto Spares would like to extend season's greetings to all. And to all of their many customers and friends, I remind you of their holiday opening hours. All right, so listen up close. Friday, December 24th. Saturday, December 25th. And Sunday, December 26th. And Monday, yeah, what's all this here? And 27th too?
I thought.
All right, wait, let me get it. I can make this easy. I can make this
I
easy.
pass it straight to you. You say, yeah, I done got this. I thought, okay, big. No, all of a sudden, no.
I know, but look how short in this day. It's too long.
But now you gotta let the people know the full
From
information.
Friday,
man.
December 24th, right, to Monday, December 27th, all outlets of Mark's Auto Spares will be closed. That's all that was. That's all it was.
That's your Reader's Digest version.
Exactly. From Friday to Monday, Mark Auto Spares closed for Christmas. Everybody's standing home and enjoying Christmas with the family, right? Right. Tuesday, December 28th to Thursday, December 30th, open hours 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. And on Friday, you know what's Friday, Alversi? That's all years, December 31st.
Or when you say Friday, April 6th, or you mean Christmas Eve this Friday? You're talking about next Friday.
Next Friday, not
Right.
this Friday. December 31st. It opens from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. On Saturday, January 1st, all the outlets will be closed. Mark Auto Spares would like to thank you for your continued support and look forward to serving you in the new year. Mark Auto Spares. 4 locations to serve you. Bel Air St. George. You can telephone Bel Air at 437-9819. Spooner's Hill St. Michael, 425-9361. Salter St. George, 228-6992. And 6 Road St. Philip, 271-1297. Only top brand name parts for your vehicle. Mark's Auto Spares, the number one auto spares in Barbados.
All right.
And it's also brought to you compliments of Good Time Snacks. Good Time Snacks, your favorite snack made right here in Barbados. They have the toffee popcorn, caramel popcorn, fruity popcorn, salted popcorn, hot balls, nacho rings, cheese twists, and corn curls. You can also go nuts with Good Time Snacks. They have the honey-coated peanuts, healthy fruit and nut, salted cashews, almonds, and many, many more from Good Time Snacks. Your favorite snack made right here in Barbados.
Listen, there's a reason why I'm playing that song in the background. I want you to sing.
You want me to sing?
I want you to sing. You got to sing to this beat. You understand? let me find it and loop it, man.
Yeah,
you can remember the words though, or you flew that last week.
I remember the words, man.
Can remember? Or let me look a piece of the instrument. Or you hold on.
Yeah, you can play that.
You ready? Let me see if we can remember how you do it last week.
You're bringing me to early last week.
Yeah, beer excuses.
I know I tell you loop it last week. You didn't loop it with the one you loop it.
Or this good now?
You let it play.
This good?
Let it play.
What, you pick it up?
Yeah.
Okay, let me hear you know.
I want an engine coil. I want Matasu oil. I want nothing to spoil me Christmas. If you have worn up breakfast and your CV joints bad, go to Mark Auto Spares this Christmas.
All right, you're doing good. You hit it, man. I like it.
All right.
Yeah, man.
Are we coming in hot here now? We coming in hot. For the last couple of weeks, we were looking for the Moon Donkey of the Year personality. We had a lot of entries, a lot of entries. And we narrowed it down now to the final 3. So first, say you got bombs and things there.
Yeah, everything.
You got everything there. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the winners of the Moon Donkey of the Year Award 2021. Tying for second place diversity. We're too close to call, so we put them as a tie. The Emerald City Robbers and the 7+ Robbers, number 2. Bombs now. We give you bombs. You gotta give me fireworks. First, you sleep in, man.
Sorry. I was so focused to hear who plays. Yeah. Lost focus.
All right, y'all get ready for this one here now. This one here, this was a late run. This was a late run. Let me tell you, this only blew up Thursday when we left in here. Saturday, the whole weekend, my phone had blown up. People messaging me, people video calling me, telling me, damn, it's the moon, damn, should be the Moon Donkey. Yeah. No,
why do we say that?
Because it was so outrageous. And it only happened last week. So coming in, everybody messaged me here now. The winner, I want for everybody to guess who it was. First, you phone line open?
Yeah.
I want somebody to call in. Anybody. I know we can, anybody. Not finding that it ain't working. It ain't working. I can do the Queen and left in here, man. Turn off the mic. Anyway, give me some dramatic music there. Let me tell who made the Moon Donkey.
Jeez, you asked for some effects. You asked for a loop of you want dramatic music?
Yeah, versus got me on the balls.
Will you score dramatic music?
Man, give me the firework thing you was give me that here. Right, the winner of the 2001 Moon Donkey Award, the Scratch Ticket Robbers. I'm Mercy, you got to say that's going on there, man. I tell you, the 55% of the vote, Versi.
See that good now?
Not good.
Oh,
Perfect.
right, good,
Perfect. The 55% of the vote, Versi. The Scratch Ticket Robbers. I don't forget people. I don't think they catch them people yet. So if you see the video and you recognize anybody, do the right thing. Call the police. Call the next thing, you know, it could be one of the house that they're breaking. So, Scratch Ticket Robbers, the Moon Donkey of the Year award goes to you.
What do they mean?
They mean nothing. They got scratch stickers one more than one.
But they can't use them.
You know they can't. I don't think them realize that whole thing get you know. That's why they are the Moon Donkey of the Year.
Before blowing up with people laughing. They agree with that show. They agree with
that.
Yeah,
unanimous then? Great.
Yeah,
nice,
so.
man. Nice, man.
Yeah, man.
Christmas. Give me the report rhythm there again. Let me do the good thing stats one there, man. Go again. Go there, Versi.
Remember that one, though? You sure you can remember
I
that
can
one?
remember the good thing stats one, man.
Well, let me see,
If I can
man.
remember Mark or the speaker, remember the good. Go.
You got to. Let me
Go.
go.
Play the thing. Yeah.
Baila, baila.
Yeah, so I want to thank, and probably hold on, bring on the music there. As it's Christmas and everything, I want to thank everybody out there.
Mm-hmm.
Infinity on the Beach Hotel for the big prize that we had earlier this year with the ultimate staycation. Thank for all the management and staff of Infinity on the Beach for providing that praise. We had a ball. Chessie had a ball, you know. So
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, boy. He was the big winner.
Thank you. I want to say Merry Christmas to all the staff at Good Time Snacks, JG's Wholesale.
Yep.
And Bridgetown, you know, you're all working hard, still working hard now.
True.
And tomorrow,
Tomorrow they're going to work even harder.
we can work even harder, as
Yeah.
Mercy said, boys. So
It's
Merry
true.
Christmas to all the staff at
Yeah,
JG's.
a special
Good Time Snacks.
Christmas shout out to Mr. and Mrs. Noel.
Yeah.
For sure.
All right, man.
Definitely.
Everybody at CBC, Merry Christmas to y'all.
Yeah, man.
I didn't forget one. All right, pork rhythm there for Mercy, man. Play it there.
Man's quality port rhythm.
I want. Yeah. Yeah, nice.
White covered. Yeah.
I want some good time snacks. I want some good time snacks. I want some good time snacks for me Christmas. No other brand will do. They don't taste as good as you. I want some good time snacks for me Christmas.
Yeah. Nice, man. But you know, I don't hear you ask for none of one of old classic Christmas hits. When I got some Christmas hits that are immortal. Every year they must play. I don't hear you ask me to play none of that. You being humble. One minute you want to show off, and that's music want to be humble.
We got tunes, boy. Enough tunes, boy.
You want to show off, but you police work. The creators don't agree with you, but when it comes to one of big hits, until you want to play, I believe you should play one or two, man. It's Christmas week.
Yeah, correct.
All right, let me go. Yeah, people, tell me if you want to remember this one, people. PC Bro say you want to hear this one instead. Inside the man, 2 half hours. Virtually versing my boy PC Bonesy. I got some information for we.
Yep. Mark Auto Spares would like to extend season's greetings to all their many customers and friends and remind you of their holiday opening hours. From Friday, December 24th to Monday, December 27th, all branches of Mark's Auto Spares will be closed. So don't run around Christmas Eve, say you're going to Mark's and get something, get work do over the weekend. No. Mark is not open Christmas Eve, then open the Saturday night, the Sunday, or the Monday. So do all your business tomorrow. You got tomorrow to sort out your business. And on Tuesday, December 28th to Thursday, December 30th, open hours are 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. And on Friday, New Year's Eve, December 31st, Mark Auto Spares will be open 8 a.m. until 12 p.m. And on Saturday, January 1st, January 1st, 2022. We done in the new year now. Saturday, January 1st, 2022, all the outlets will be closed. Mark's Auto Spares would like to thank you for your continued support and look forward to serving you in the new year. Woo, let me read something here. I did hear Versi that got a song out there about blessing circles or something, so a Christmas song.
Yeah, you don't know about that?
I hear somebody tell me about this. Is it true? Is it a rare song?
Yeah, man. It's play all the time, I think.
All right.
You never hear that?
I never hear that. I never hear. If I might hear, but probably didn't tune in. But if you got there, play that. Play that for me. I want to hear it.
You're searching for it now.
All right, do that.
Yeah, man. People like that, man.
But then,
yeah, and your Christmas scam.
It's Christmas.
Yeah, about. He trying to raise some money to buy Christmas gifts, etc., for the groceries and stuff. And hear about blessing circle.
My thing I hear that.
He joined it and lost his money.
Some funny for them.
And eat his slice half. In the darkness, go like a water get cut off.
It's something real funny for you. You got there, you funny.
Yeah, man. Let me play it, man.
Play it there. Let me hear it.
Yeah.
I owe people money. 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 I owe people money.
Christmas time, things look bad. I need some money in my hand.
Blessings.
I want $8,000 this Christmas.
Blessings.
I got big plans this Christmas. Now I hear much worse off. The light and you want to turn off.
Blessings.
Because I get scammed this Christmas.
Blessings.
No one can get a ham this Christmas. Christmas time I did break. Up to my neck in debt. A friend of mine tell me don't stress. He asked me if I got $1,000 to invest. He in this thing, just invest $1,000. In less than a month, you get it in your hand. I ain't got $1,000 and I implant a bar. He told me them got one for just $100. If him at a church, it's the pastor one. After a week and you don't get nothing, you guaranteed a refund. Yeah, that could work. Plus I feel safer because it really church. So I give him mother the $100 to get in. She tell me to bring people to get my blessing.
Give the hurry up, real money making.
The church got a group chat, so I get let in. Christmas time, things look bad. I need some money in my hand.
Blessings.
I want $8,000 this Christmas.
Blessings.
I got big plans this Christmas. Now I hear much worse off. The light and you want to turn off.
Blessings.
Because I get scammed this Christmas.
Blessings.
No one can get a ham this Christmas. After 1 week, you would not believe $300 I did receive. I tell one of my friends, I get some money, boy. He tell me, so he decide to join. He bring in he aunts, he uncles, he cousins, both he child mothers and he outside lovers. My friend mother says she impressed. Next week is $4,000, want to reinvest, and I keep the rest. You that's $3,000, Christmas gonna be sweet. I can buy ham, turkey, tenderloin, and a rack of lamb and cologne. No more oils from the Rasta man.
I owe people money. I owe people money. I owe people money. I owe people money. I owe
Money.
people money. I owe people money. I
Bring
owe
all
people
the money.
I owe people money.
Christmas time, things look bad. I need some money in my hand.
Blessings.
I want $8,000 this Christmas.
Blessings.
I got big plans this Christmas. Now I hear much worse off. The light and you want to turn off.
Blessings.
Because I get scammed this Christmas.
Blessings.
No one can get a ham this Christmas. Pastor tell me invest. All me every paycheck so we could get blessed. But what make the whole thing collapse is when he left the WhatsApp chat. Everybody cursing, my belly hurting. Half of the people in the circle ain't working. We can't find the pastor, everybody searching. Uh-oh, I can get my coconut bursting. This is my story, it ain't over. I got all this debt on my shoulder. The pastor just ruthless and heartless. Now I eating sliced ham in the darkness. Blessings. Now I hear much worse off. The light and the water turn off. Because I get scammed this Christmas and the pastor cancel Christmas.
Bingo.
Yeah, can't let that one play yet, boy. Another big one coming up. Can't
You
let
know,
it play
see,
yet.
I like that idea though, Versi. Who's the artist again now?
Gibbsy Dan.
Gibbsy Dam, man. Nice,
Yeah, man.
nice, nice.
Well
nice.
written, I think. I like it.
Yeah, well done, man. Oh, and it's all brought to you compliments of Mark's Auto Spears. 4 locations to serve you. Bel Air St. George. You can telephone Bel Air at 437-9819. Spooner Hill St. Michael, 425-9361. Salter St. George, 228-6992. And 6 Road St. Philip, 271-1297. Only top brand name parts for your vehicle. Mark's Auto Spears. The number 1 Auto Spears in Barbados. And it's also brought to you compliments of Good Time Snacks. Good Time Snacks, your favorite snack, made right here in Barbados. They have the toffee popcorn, caramel popcorn, fruity popcorn, salted popcorn, hot balls, nacho rings, cheese twists, and corn curls. You can also go nuts with Good Time Snacks. They have the honey-coated peanuts, healthy fruit and nut, salted cashews, almonds, and many, many more from Good Time Snacks. Your favorite snack made right here in Barbados.
So support local people
Buy
for
local,
sure.
man. Buy local. Now and in the new year. But I want that funny Christmas song. You got any more there, lineup?
Yeah, that one that just sneak in a little bit. That's
Yeah,
the
that's
regular
the one. Who's that?
one. You want
Ozanez?
with bingos.
Bengals, man. Rest in peace, Bengals, man. It was a big one.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, let me hear it.
Bengals, baby. You see this catalog? It got anything that Santa carpet that we want.
Hold on a minute. Do you have mice in your pockets? Who are you talking about?
Now Bengals Christmas coming. We got to start buying new things for the house.
I can care less if Easter was falling in August. My main concern is right there under that bed. Look, go take a look. Right there. Take a peek.
Well, all I see on the day. Wait. All I see on the day so is a guy in a run.
Very observant, sweetheart. Now move to the front of the class.
But Bengals, you can't be.
Listen to me very carefully.
I don't care for another Christmas come. I really don't care if Santa Claus come. My gallon of rum, man, my gallon of rum. All I want is my gallon of rum. Everybody planning for the Christmas day. Listen, Pila, y'all, what we got to say. You're talking about getting all kinds of meat. I come next year when the heck we gonna eat. I don't care for another Christmas come. I really ain't bothered if Santa Claus come. My gallon of rum, man, my gallon of rum. All I want is my gallon of rum.
But Bengals, we can't get a Christmas tree.
But that don't cost electricity. Be like y'all, you better improvise. Go and decorate the lime tree outside. I don't care for another Christmas come. I really ain't bothered if Santa Claus come. My gallon of rum, man, my gallon of rum. All I want is my gallon of rum.
But my brother coming in for the holidays. The house got to paint before he get here. I want a new fridge and a new carpet.
You could only be a good Christmas puppet. I don't care for another Christmas come. I really hope your licorice brother don't come. My gallon of rum, man, my gallon of rum. All I want is my gallon of rum. You want to bring your family to eat me out? And come January, I gonna be starved out. Feed them for the curtains and the new bed spread. If them ain't satisfied with rice and bread. I don't give another Christmas come. I doesn't give a damn if Santa Claus come. My gallon of rum, man, my gallon of rum. All I want is my gallon of rum.
You don't like entertaining and my friends.
I ain't got no money, just pamper them. Got my cockburr up under the bed. If I miss one drop, somebody body going dead. I don't care if another Christmas come. You better call and tell your friends don't come. My gal in a rum, man, my gal in a rum. All I want is my gal in a rum.
You can really come and go to church Christmas Day.
You better tell the pastor pass through here. And the same day that he plan to come, tell the stop by the shopper bring a chaser for the rum. I don't care if another Christmas come. I really give a walk up in Santa Claus come. My gal in a rum, man, my gal in a rum. All I want is my gal in a rum. I tell Alison to go away. Trust now have whole year to pay. Water sell ya all kinds of junk. That thing worth 2 cents in soft outs. I don't give another Christmas come. I don't care if Santa Claus come. My gal in a rum, man, my gal in a rum. All I want is my gal in a rum. My gal in a rum, man, my gal in a rum. All I want is my gal in a rum.
Question! Who said that I look like Santa Claus? All of the gal, all of the gal. Who said that I look like Santa Claus? All of the gal, all of the gal. Mistake me for Santa Claus. They mistake me for Santa. So what you know? Take me for Santa Claus. You gotta take me for Santa. Here it is now. I have my friend June what she want for Christmas. If she them a friend with a beer she ain't cuss. Y'all want fridge, brand new stove, wardrobe, carpet, and a set of new clothes, 2 color TVs. One for my bedroom. And a stereo set to hear she favorite tune. Think she done whiskey and rum. Bosh the pit bag but she just lay down fun. 5 days of sausage, a 4-legged lamb. 2 turkeys, a fowl and a picnic ham. If money left, I bring 4 dozen eggs. A case of turkey wings and a box of chicken legs. A food processor, y'all want a blender, a fan. I run a vacuum cleaner. My mouth open wide, come beneath my ears. I bring a shirt for my man and 2 underwears. What? Hey! She mistook me for Santa Claus. She mistook me for Santa. She mistook me for Santa Claus. You gotta take me for Santa. So watch her. She mistook me for Santa Claus. You gotta take me for Santa. Here it is. She mistook me for Santa Claus. You gotta take me for Santa. Get on my bicycle. Start to pedal. Call a man. There, you know I have me make a fuffle. Pull up, stop up by this stick and Judy.
It's Christmas at Real Bank for me.
Oh Lord, you can trouble when you want no more. Cause somebody had to tell you that they ring you lost on.
You always cry.
Then she get she had a scratch.
You know me, I can't want no more.
Just a washing machine, microwave, a toaster, video perfume, a CD player, living room suite, and a dinner set. I ain't got so much cash.
Act right to check.
Alright, shot your eyes, come back right from 10. I gonna write a big check and surprise you then. I'll shot and she counted.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
When she open, she eyeball long time I done gone. What? She mistake me for Santa Claus. She mistake me for Santa. She mistake me for Santa Claus. You gotta take me for Santa. So watch her. She mistake me for Santa Claus. You gotta take me for Santa. Hey, she mistake me for Santa Claus. You gotta take me for Santa. Girls, who said that I look like Santa Claus? All of the gal, all of the gal. Who said that I look like Santa Claus? All of the gal, all of the gal. Why you take me for this Santa Claus fella? You see that I'm black and he is white as ever. Big and fat, long beard upon he chin. I'm tall, good looking, handsome and slim. He from the North Pole, I'm from Barbados. Still they mistaking me for this Father Christmas. Now Sharon asked me for a Christmas gift. When he asked what she wants, she taking out a long list. One negligee set, gold ring and bracelet. Look, she hear that my mother did born a puppet. She want Christmas tree, then take it from me. To go to Puerto Rico, we spending money. Or cruise for 2. I say alright then, but she ain't want me come. She want bring she boyfriend and want me pay for she cellular phone. I tell she ain't back, she tell me get a bank loan. Why? She mistake me for Santa Claus. She mistake me for Santa. Take me for Santa Claus. She mistake me for Santa. So what you know? Take me for Santa Claus. You gotta take me for Santa. Yes! Take me for Santa Claus. You gotta take me for Santa. Now watch her. I am my best living one of the 4 ring. Hard and jam me out of my skin. I ask Rick sexy voice on the line.
Eric, how you doing?
I say that I find.
You know who it is?
I ain't got a clue.
It's Gloria.
Gloria, Gloria who?
Gloria, you meet proper.
Oh yeah, and I give you my phone number.
So you buy my Christmas gift already?
Thanks, brown girl, not really.
I know things time.
You got that right.
But I want a black dress to wear for years now.
A pair gold shoe, she want to hairdo. Go chain and watch her earrings too. I say, hold on a minute, my phone just beep. And then you unplug my phone and went back to sleep. She mistake me for Santa Claus. The girl take me for Santa. Oh gosh, take me for Santa. Boys, take me for Santa Claus. The girl take me for Santa. Here it is. She mistake me for Santa Claus. The girl take me for Santa. All of the girl take me for Santa Claus. They mistake me for Santa. They mistake me for Santa.
Yeah. Woo! Okay, Merry Christmas to Timothy Nichols, locked on. Also, Undine. Sharon Thomas, Merry Christmas to you. Troy, Merry Christmas to you, bro. And also Heather Foster in Boston. She is locked on as well. Merry Christmas to all of you. Thank you for tuning in to Mark's Auto Spares and Good Time Snacks, 2 half an hours.
That's
put
right.
Together. Mark Auto Spares, 4 locations to serve you. Better St. George, you can telephone Better at 437-9819. Spooner Hill St. Michael, 425-9361. Salter St. George, 228-6992. And 6 Road St. Philip, 271-1297. Only top brand name parts for your vehicle. Mark's Auto Spares, the number 1 auto spares in Barbados.
Sure.
And also Good Time Snacks, your favorite snack made right here in Barbados. They have the toffee popcorn, caramel popcorn, fruity popcorn, salted popcorn, hot balls, nacho rings, cheese twists, and corn curls. You can also go nuts with Good Time Snacks. They have the honey-coated peanuts, healthy fruit and nut, salted cashews, almonds, and many, many more from Good Time Snacks. Your favorite snack made right here in Barbados.
It's true. The best.
Ooh,
The best.
One more time for the final time. Tomorrow's your last chance to go to Mark Auto Spares before Christmas. Friday, December 24th till December 27th, all branches of Mark's Auto Spares will be closed. That is Friday till Monday. Mark's will be closed. And on Tuesday, December 28th to
Take your time.
From Tuesday, December 28th to Thursday, December 30th, the opening hours at Mark Auto Spares are 8 a.m. until 4 p.m. That's right. And on Friday, December 31st, Mark opens at 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. That's All Year's Day, New Year's Eve.
Yeah.
Yes, Scott, right?
The same thing. You're right.
Right,
You're
so
right.
open half day that day. So if you got to go, plan your business to suit. And on January 1st, 2022, all branches of Mark's Auto Spares will be closed. All right? So Mark Auto Spares would like to thank you for continued support and look forward to serving you in the new year.
That's right.
2022. We're looking forward to something different in 2022 versus
Even better.
Even better, man.
It's true.
Yeah, oof.
Christmas already, boy.
Christmas already.
2 days away.
2 days away, man.
I believe it,
Yeah,
boy.
boy. Everybody out there listening, Merry Christmas from Mark Auto Spares and Good Time Snacks. Enjoy it, because, I mean, when you see the news all around the world, a lot of people ain't got as good as we, you know.
True.
Right?
Very true.
So I hope it lasts. I hope we keep up this, what happening right now, the cases down. We still get a chance to go out and that kind of thing.
Yeah.
Because I hear a lot of other places overseas locking
right
down
down.
and shutting right back down.
Say
So
Omicron doing the dog.
yeah, man. So we keep it level out here. Keep this here going.
Keep doing the right things, man.
Right, keep doing the right things. Make sure when I'm going people places, sanitize, wear one a mask. I tell you, that's the easiest way to protect yourself from this thing, Just wear that mask and you'll be good.
True. Very
Right?
true.
So do that and enjoy Christmas this weekend, man.
That's
All right.
right.
Versi?
Merry Christmas to you. PC Booms, I won't be seeing you between now and then. So Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to the Queen as well.
Yeah.
Yes, man. And like we said, shout out to all the Marks, all the Spears family, and also the Good Time Snack family. And of course, our listeners.
Our listeners.
Merry Christmas to everybody locked on.
Right.
Those were
Right.
the mad 2.5 hours.
Yep.
Go on, say it right. You're going to do it right. Those
Uh-huh.
are the 2.5 hours right here on 98.1. The one I came to the compliments of Mark's Auto Spares and Good Time Snacks. So here looking for the commercial. Yeah, here looking for me a fight.
I can read it for you, though.
Got it covered, man. Got it covered. All right, buddy, we'll link up.
All right. Cool.